Halo, good evening Tribuners. Welcome back with me Kustul Asyaifah in Indonesian News of Tribun Lampung. We will present you entertaining and interesting information from every place in Indonesia. And here the complete news.
Akibat angin kencang dan hujan deras ini.
The first news is hurricane caused 85 house and a shop in Aceh Basa to be service damage. Heavy rains accompanied by the strong wind hit Aceh Basa and Banda Aceh starting Saturday, May 28, 2022 afternoon, causing dozens of the houses to be seriously and light damage. The most damage caused by the strong wind hit the people's house where the roof and blown away by the strong winds and the current in the all sub-district in Aceh Besar. Data from the Aceh Besar Disaster Management Operation Control Center reporting damage caused by the strong wind in the Aceh Besar ranging 90 damage ranging from house to shop, school daya to public faces and the number of the public infrastructure. In the fact, there was a 22 point of the volunteers during and last 2 days at the blocked national road at between village and a sub-district. The Chief Executive of the Banda Aceh Disaster Management Operations Control Center, Ridwan Jabil, SOS MAC, through a document as the PB officer Iqbal told the SetambiNews.com at the Sunday night, explained that of the 85, the damage was new 58 houses and the record at the Disaster Management Operations Control Center, a total of 5 a house were blown off the wind until the part of the house are hit by a fallen tree. Then 3 of the were 3 shops at the worst also damaged, whereas the roof are blown away by the wind. And then 3 roofs at the school were blown away with the wind 2 days and various other types of the building, reaching 19 unnailed. So far, explained Iqbal, there have been no reports of the casualties from the 80, including caused by the strong wind, accompanied by the heavy rains and hit Aceh Basa in the last 2 days. The location of violent tree blocking and the roads adjusting and the smooth flow of the traffic were reported to have occurred on the Soekarno-Hatta Street in the Lambora area. Then in the Gampong Gani Asim Airport Street, when the Jaya sub-district there's a 6 point that the street is over the road. This condition a result in the total impairment of the traffic activity. Then in Blangstar district, it was also reported that the 3 were fallen trees as well as on the Lambu Banda Street Aceh there was 5 points. Similar incidents also occurred in several other locations, both on a connection route between sub-district and connecting route between village. The next news is 19 miners is being struck by the lightning while attacking shelter. Lightning struck 9 miners in the Sakupa mining area Sakuyuk village, Kelapa Kempit as Belitung, Bangka Belitung as Saturday, 28 May 2022. The incident, which is occurred at around 1 o'clock in the morning, left 1 person dead. Head of Police Relation of the East Belitung Police, Commissary Sekimin said the miner who died was a man named Sofian, 43 years old, a resident of the Aiklasi village, Damar. He relieved that the incident began where a fighting the partner was working at the college lead. that it Rainer wrote the scans after the victim was taken at the local health center from the CAT scan where the legacy of the violence at the victim's body. He appointed the public to always provision and safety in doing any work. If the weather is going to be cloudy, stop immediately and find a safer place. Meanwhile, had a previous of the Asing Belitung Regional Disaster Management Agency, Helmi Akbar said that the 9 people were struck by the lightning were taking shelter on the slightness of the dynamite work activity at the location. According to local resident, Helmi said, when the incident took place, that the location that there was raining heavily accompanied by the strong winds. Currently, the victim was minor injury have been rushed at the post-case to the people have been revealed to the Muhammad Zain Hospital and 5 people have returned by the outman treatment. The next news is police looking for a policeman at a Surit hospital at the middle of the Sertowari massacre. The atmosphere of the car-free day at the Slabat Riyadi Solo turned task when the public was concerned by the false information on the Sunday, May 29, 2022. People run because they heard the minions of the Maskudosa when dairy complex was about to collapse. As a result, a number of the traders suffered loss in additional people who picnic were also dispersed from their family members. The Solo Restaurant police took the hoax spread seriously. The head of the criminal investigation unit from the Solo Resort Police, Commissioner's Police Adjutant Johan Andika said that his party was secluding in investigation. The police was looking for the person who spread the hoax information. A number of the pies of the advance are being collected to reveal the person who spread the fake news. Regarding the elegant spring of the hawk news is a really deliberately a cronlet created by the gangs of the picture parks to the cast public. The next news is the roof of the Formula E circuit tribune collapse. When the consternation of the general of the specters standard from the Jakarta Formula E circuit in the Ancol was being released by the storm hit him. The roof of the tribune that started at the 8th time reported a continued contraction. On the other hand, there is this only week left from the construction and the 3 circuit to be completed before the Formula E electric car race will be held in Jakarta on June 4, 2022. However, even though the time was running out, it had been a day since the collapse roof had next be fixed immediately. Since it collapsed on Friday, until the Saturday evening, has not been a significant improvement. One sitting monitoring based on observation of the TribunJakarta.com report at the location on the Saturday evening. The roof and the Formula E circuit tribune was still collapsed. The iron framework that is support that is the roof that comfort the standard also the looking sled that the weight canopy that the function Our cover of the Red Green status also looks and starting a following suspension in the collapse backward. Meanwhile, the Vice Managing Director of the organizing committee from the Jakarta IPRIK 2022, Gunung Kartiko, who was in the media crew in the file, was reconstructed to the comment which much on the incident. The next news is, geodesists protest the way has never been hatched.
Viral di
The action of the planting banana trees on the Dimet Road has occurred again in Mamuju Regency, West Sulawesi. This time it was held by the Young Youth and the Student CC, or P3S community based in the CC environment, Regis Village, Simbororo district. They plant banana trees and fish in the water that the recently pond. The puddle was a process of the connecting route between the CC of the Simpuang Tuadik port. It was also seen that there was a young woman driven a banana and the reed stopped the false promotion 2022. P3S Secretary Diana said, the action was from and the protest to the government. He said that the raid never received any intention from the Mamuju Regency government. The residents starting were the connection route to the Ramba finishing phone, the route connecting the network of the Sesot CC of Pampongon to Selawu Pangi, and the Yuk Rubens local government would pay attention to the route. The next news is 30 perplexed illegal migrants work hard from the South Sulawesi arrested by the Amplan Mari Study Force in Dudukan.
Amankan
As many as 30 prospective Indonesian migrant workers illegally from the South Sulawesi were again secured by the Ampalan Marin Tasik Forest Sunday in the morning. Dozens of the Indonesian citizens were arrested because they are suspected of the illegally crossing into Tau, Malaysia with the Vanda River at the Aku River, Bambangan village. The commander of the London Dudukan Lieutenant Colonel Arif Kurniawan Hertanto said, the illegal PMI candidate was heading to the Sabbatic Islam via the Haji Mukhtar Dudukan port. Until 7 in the morning, they were secured at the Bambangan Marine post. Hertanto to the TribunKaltara.com on Sunday, 2019, had offered more than the 13 illegal PMI candidates will be assigned to the Indonesian Migrant Works Protection Agency or the BP2MI Nudukan for the further examination. Meanwhile, said Arif, his party was explores the revealed names that the suspect to be illegal PMI since decade. And the last news is conversion of the middle agent among police shooter in the Musirawa. The prevent nature of the shooting of the member of the narcotic unit and the Musirawa police, Bribka Khairun Chandra, was arrested by the police Sunday, May 2022. The previous was named Jamari, 57 years old, a resident of the Bijin Jagut village, Muara Keli district, Musirawa Regency. The shooting occurred when the narcotics unit of the Musirawas police carrying out a raid on the Daring Delirin Abigi Chukur village, Muara Keligi district, Musirawa Regency a few days ago. The suspect Jamari admits before the incident shooting a member of the narcotics, he was in the garden. When he came home from the garden, on the Thursday 19 May 2022 evening, he saw his son Initial F surrounded by the group people, pointed the long range gun at the headbook from the garden toward the group of the people and assured his friend, a member of the Nashkoning Saresis Musi Police, Brigadier Khairul Chandra. It is said, after shooting, they fled toward the river, then the helpless homemade fired onto the river. After that, into the hiding, knowing that the Hasmus at a member Musirawas police station. After hiding a few days, police approaches, Jamari was arrested on the Sunday. He was successfully secured by the family place in the pending village, Muara Langkitan district, that he was taken to the Musi. Well, I think that's all for news for today with me, Kustul Ashaifa. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.